Background, dramatic engine revs plus cinematic music. Narrator: in the world of cars, some machines break records. Some break hearts, and then there's one car that broke every rule of common sense. Built by a man the world barely understood, John Dodd. A man who decided that normal just wasn't enough. In 1972, he created a monster so powerful, so outrageous, that even Rolls-Royce tried to destroy it. This is the story of the beast. Narrator: our story begins in England, early 1970s. John Dodd wasn't a car company, not even a big-name engineer. He was just a bold mechanic with a wild imagination and access to a Rolls-Royce Merlin V12, yes, the same 27-liter engine used in Spitfire fighter planes during World War II. The moment Dodd saw that engine, he didn't see history. He saw horsepower, and he thought, what if I put this into a car? So he did. He started building from scratch, custom frame, custom transmission, everything. What came out of his garage wasn't just a car. It was a beast in metal, the beast. Narrator: the beast roared to life with over 700 horsepower, though some say it produced over 1,000. The body, initially a fiberglass shell inspired by the 1970s Rolls-Royce coupe, but what really made it terrifying was that thunderous sound, like a fighter jet tearing through the streets. It could easily reach 200 miles per hour, a ridiculous number in the 1970s, especially for something built in a garage. When Dodd drove the beast on public roads, jaws dropped, cameras turned. People thought a plane had landed on the highway. He proudly registered it with a license plate, the beast. But soon, this mechanical monster would make enemies. Powerful. Narrator: John Dodd, being cheeky as ever, decided to keep the Rolls-Royce grille and logo on the front. He claimed it made the car look classy, but Rolls-Royce, they weren't laughing. They sued Dodd for trademark infringement. And even though he argued, it's my car, my creation, the British courts sided with Rolls-Royce. Dodd refused to back down. He left for Spain with the beast. When he didn't show up to court, the judge ordered his car to be destroyed. But the beast survived, hidden away, rebuilt, reborn. Because legends never die, they just get louder. Narrator: over the years, the beast became something of a myth. A 19-foot-long, 2-ton monster that could eat supercars for breakfast. It wore its absurdity proudly: massive engine, airplane, great noise, and the pure insanity of one man's dream turned reality. John Dodd passed away in 2022, but his creation still lives, carefully preserved, a reminder of what happens when passion outruns reason. Today, car enthusiasts still whisper about it, the one-man built car that scared Rolls-Royce, defied the government, and rewrote the rules of engineering. This wasn't just a machine, it was a message. If you've got the guts, you can build anything. Narrator: so the next time someone tells you your idea is too crazy, remember John Dodd, and remember the beast. Because sometimes, to make history, you've got to be a little mad. Engine rev sound fades out, screen cuts to black.